Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've actually done a reset routine in this house, and I'm super excited to take you guys with me for my winter reset. I currently just had my cup of coffee, so let's get started with some skincare. I have been loving the Dr. Sheth's Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This one is really nice. Skincare is done, and the first thing on my to-do list is to actually organize my bedroom bathroom, because I did not actually do that to organize the bathroom in my previous vlog where I showed you the bathroom and where I actually had to organize, but I was super tired. So today we are just going to do that, decorate the bathroom, the bedroom, and basically just get into the Christmas spirit. So last evening I did go shopping to check out some Christmas goodies, and I also did place a few orders on Amazon which just got delivered. So let me show you what all I got. So I got these reindeer sculptures. It comes in a set of 2 and I absolutely love them. One comes seated and the other one is standing, and I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to actually put this up somewhere in my room. Next we have this Christmas tree candle. This is what it looks like. I find this so extremely cute. Next I did get this house-shaped LED lights, and I am super excited, you guys. Just look at them. They are so darn cute. Not quite sure where I'm going to put this up, but I'm sure it's going to look so pretty. Next I picked up these 2 gingerbread ornaments for my tree, but honestly they look kind of burnt. I do not know why. Anyway, it is what it is, and I think I'm going to maybe tie a ribbon around them and just see how it looks then, because I really think a ribbon would make them look cuter. I also did get this Christmas tree that lights up. So there's no battery in it, so I have to actually put battery in it and then it would light up. So this next thing has been on my wish list for a year now, and I'm so excited to show you what it is. It's so cute, you guys. It's this gingerbread cup, you guys. I absolutely love all of the details on this cup. It's so cute, and I cannot wait to actually drink my hot chocolate in this or whatever, basically in this cup. Did also get this resin deer, and I feel like it comes with a cute little bell, so I find that really cute. But although I do not feel like this is sturdy enough, because it's literally so lightweight, it's like thermocol, so I don't know whether this is going to be feasible as a showpiece. I did get another cup, you guys, and this one is so cute. I absolutely love the pink on this. It also comes with a stirrer kind of thingy, so I pretty much really love it. And lastly I did get these Christmas stockings in white. I do have in red, but since this year the theme is white and pink, I really wanted to get something white or pink. And lastly I got these Christmas lighthouse decor. This looks so pretty, you guys. It's giving me vintage vibes, and I'm all in for that. Although I do wish it came with an LED light, but I think I'll have to place a candle, but I'm really not sure if I would like the idea of placing a candle inside this, because I tend to forget to switch it off. So yeah, maybe I would buy those LED candle lights and put them in. But I think this would look so pretty lit up. Here's the thing, I have been hunting for a pink candy cane pillow since forever, and I literally cannot find it anywhere in India. So I thought, why not DIY one? And I just got a few craft items, so I'm going to basically try doing that. I do not know how it's going to turn out, but there's no harm in trying, so let's get started with that. So the first step is to draw the candy cane on a piece of paper and cut it out. I'm going to trace this on my piece of cloth and then cut it out again. It is time to stitch both of these pieces together and then basically just turn it upside out. And now I'm just filling in cotton. I got this from an old pillow that I had. I think it looks pretty nice. Now it's time to add in the pink cloth. I did not really add anything on the backside because it was too much work, so I just let that be. This candle is super pretty. It smells so good, but I do not like the packaging. I'm just planning to like paint these candy canes pink. I'm just using like basic nail paints. I'm just gonna mix both of these so that I get a nice pink color. That's the candle, you guys. It is so pretty. I am obsessed. Let me know what are your thoughts. I am literally so happy I got this done.
In the air, I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bell in the air, the only thing.
After literally 1.5 hours, this is done, and this is so cute, you guys. I love it so much. This is exactly what I actually wanted, and it's here. When I was actually like stitching, I literally felt like I shouldn't have done this. I mean, I'm wasting time, but honestly, looking at the end results, I feel like it was so worth it. Now I have to put this on my bed and basically sleep with it. I'm so happy, and for now the plan is that I'm going to go for my nail appointment. My nail is literally so bad right now. I'm also planning to go, you know, with this festive nails that I have been wanting to do for so long, so I'm super excited. So I'm going to throw on a cute little comfy outfit and let's get going. I threw on this cute little pullover. I pretty much really love the color and I love the way it is. First, we're going to start off with a sunscreen because it is going to... I love how fast this blends in and feels like there's nothing on my skin. I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. This is my go-to concealer and I pretty much really like it. I literally do not feel like buying much makeup anymore because I feel like I have so much makeup just lying in my you know, drawers, and it kind of hurts me when I do not actually, you know, complete any product and basically it expires. So I am literally on a no spend on makeup. But let me know what are your thoughts, because for me, honestly, I do not apply makeup like on a day-to-day basis, so it does not make sense to actually spend on makeup. You guys, literally this is how much I've used this compact. Like, I think I need another compact, to be honest, because I think this is my most used compact. So yeah, I'm planning on getting another compact. Let me know what do you think, like which brand do you think I should go for. This one that I was using is Mars and I absolutely love the quality of this. It's literally so good. I'm thinking of getting the same one, but I actually do not want to get the same one because then I would not be, you know, trying different compacts out there. My eyes are also on tier you know, foundation, but again, you know, it's like foundation, so I really do not know. Let me know if you guys think I should try that one out and let you guys know how I feel it is. Honestly, I do not wear foundation anymore, so it's like I do not know what to do. But if you guys want me to try, I will definitely get that one with the Etude House water tint. This one is a nice one, but again, I feel like I haven't been using this that much, you know, compared to my other blush, which is from Etude House, but it's actually a lip tint and I absolutely love that one. But this one is pretty nice as well. Although I feel like I only use this during, you know, winters. For some reason, I do not know why. I just feel like it sits well on my skin during winters compared to summers. So again, another product that I hardly used is this one from and this is their Vintage Ocean. I guess this is their gloss tint. Again, I love this only during winters. I do not know why I do that, but it's so pretty. The shade is so pretty, you guys. I think I'm going to definitely be using this throughout the coming year. And for my eye today, I am planning to go in with this Kiro eyeshadow stick. So I just like apply a little bit on the outer corner of my eye and then I just smudge it. That is it, you guys. I love the way, you know, this eye looks. It looks so pretty with just one eyeshadow pencil. It's really like no effort kind of eye look. This is something I love doing when I do not want to apply, you know, mascara or something like too much of eyeshadow on my eye. This is when I use this, and this literally comes in super handy. I love it so much. And that is all I do for my simple, you know, makeup look whenever I have to go out. And I'm also planning to stop by Bath & Body Works because I really want to check out their festive collection, and then basically also stop by for grocery shopping because I really want to start cooking. I haven't yet started cooking in years, so yeah, that's a little update, and I think it is time to get going. So I had some time remaining, so I started decorating my bed and my chest of drawers. I loved the way everything turned out. Such a nice warm relaxing shower and I feel so good. For now, I just wanted to quickly come here and show you my nails. My nails are so cute. I'm literally obsessed. Also, you guys, I did pick up Bath & Body Works. They did not really have, you know, sale on their body care, but they did have like 60% off on their candles, which, you know, I literally wait for all throughout the year. I did pick up 1,000 Wishes. This has been on my list for so long, and this one really goes on sale. You know, when it goes on sale, you grab it because I have been loving this scent like all throughout the year and basically for a very long time. It smells so pretty, you guys. Like, if you guys have the scent or if you guys have tried it, you know what I'm talking about. This one is such a beautiful goldy scent. The other candle, I placed it on my chest of drawers, so let me get that. From the festive collection, I picked up Sugared Snickerdoodle, and it is so cute. I love the packaging. This one smells so good, you guys. Like, it has warm spices, creamy vanilla, and sugar musk. This literally smells like your warm bakery kind of scent. It smells like biscuits, and it also has, you know, those spices like cinnamon, all of those Christmas spices. If you know, I pretty much really enjoy this, and I cannot wait to actually, you know, try this in my shower. So yeah, I just picked up these two and I'm so excited. If you guys have been wanting to shop candles, literally this is the time. Go and grab it because this sale happens only once a year. So yeah, I hope you guys find what you have been wanting. So now I'm going to make some dinner because I have been starving and I have been seeing this creamy chicken garlic soup all over the internet and I have been craving to have that. So let's get cooking. So I ordered this from mainland China and this is their ginger chicken, which is just perfect. Okay, this soup literally did not take me much time and it looks so fancy. This is so good, you guys. it's been such a fun day so far. I am going to start with my nighttime skincare and then probably journal. I did wash my face already and now I am going in with this face mask from Beauty of Dsouza. I absolutely love this face mask, but the only thing is that I tend to use this face mask only when it's winters. For some reason, I do not know why. I absolutely love the way this softens my skin, and it's such a nice face pack to use, you know, during winter months. I personally really like it during winters and not during summers, because in summers I prefer something, you know, like a clay mask or something more calming, but this one is super soothing, so this is literally perfect for winters. While my face mask is drying, I'm going to use lip scrub. This one is from N. It's their cinnamon lip scrub. So it comes in like two variants. One is the lip scrub and the other one is the lip balm. I just washed my face and I love the way my skin feels. It's so soft. My lips have been so very well exfoliated, so I'm going to apply a lip balm before we begin. I love the color and the way it moisturizes my lip. It's so good. My serum, I'm using its Skin Power 10 formula. And for my moisturizer, I'm going in with the CosRX Honey overnight mask. If you guys are looking for a moisturizer that literally leaves your skin glowy, dewy and so moisturized, get your hands on this one. I absolutely love it. That's how it leaves my skin every time I use it, and I love it so much. And pretty much that is it for my nighttime skincare. I think I'm going to journal now, but before that I think it is time for some hot chocolate, because it is literally that season. Let's have some hot chocolate together. Body mist, I have been loving this Bright Christmas Morning from Bath & Body Works. It is literally so good. So good.
The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you.
Now I'm planning to journal and basically just plan my to-do list for tomorrow and, you know, just finish off my hot chocolate. I pretty much really enjoy hot chocolate, like during winters and especially during December. That's the only time I actually have hot chocolate, otherwise I do not. So yeah, I'm going to do that and basically just call it a night, because I had such a fun long day and I'm super tired right now. So I got done with my hot chocolate, I got done with my gratitude journaling, and pretty much that is it, you guys, for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, had fun watching it, and I will see you next week. Bye, love you.